How to fix Adobe Lightroom issues and errors. The very first you can try doing is restore or recover the corrupt catalog with BlockLog. So locate the folder where the backups are stored on your PC. You can enter the backup folder in your Windows or Mac by visiting the default locations. After locating the zip files on Windows PC, choose the most recent folder and zip it. To do that, right-click on the folder, select Extract All, and choose the location to extract the catalog file. It is suggested to extract files in another drive or location than the Lightroom. Now copy and paste the extracted catalog file into the folder with the corrupted catalog file. If you see a prompt, click on the Replace the file in the destination option. Now double-click the same replaced catalog file to launch the Lightroom. Well, if it doesn't fix your problem, then in the next step, what you can try doing is delete the catalog data files. In order to do so, open your Windows or Mac computer. Locate the Lightroom folder and open it. Look for red color catalog file, and then select all similar files and delete them. Once it has been done, launch the Lightroom and enjoy working without bothering about the pixel storage error. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix Adobe Lightroom issues and error. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.